You might be looking for a way to basically show or view your password here that you're using for your Outlook account. Well, in this case, there are going to be a few things that we need to understand. Now, with the recent updates the Outlook made on their app here, there are going to be some features that may not be available. Now, currently, if you access your settings at the top right of your screen and go to your accounts and click on manage here, as you can see, our option here are going to be quite limited. As you can see right now, there's no option for us to actually view the password for our account. Is now the thing with Outlook accounts here that if you're using right now, the password that you're using for it is the same one for your Microsoft account. Meaning, if you view your password here for your Outlook account, you will also be seeing the password for your Microsoft account as well. Which in this case, they actually remove this option for you to view because, again, it's kind of like a security risk in our case. But there are still some cases, or in this case, other methods here that you can try to basically view your password just in case. So yeah, the first method here is via your browser. Now, if you frequently use your browser here for basically accessing Outlook, well, you can view it in your password in your browser here if you've saved it before. So what we need to do is click on the option at the top right here and you want to go and click on settings. Now, from here, what we need to do is we want to go and choose the option here that says autofill and passwords. And from here, you want to go and just choose the option here for Google Password Manager. Now, it should open up a new section here. If you do see Outlook in here, what you just need to do is you just need to click on it. And as you can see, you can just click on the eye icon to basically show your password. Then again, this actually depends if you actually saved your password in your browser. But if you don't see that in your browser here, the last and final method that you could try doing here is to just basically start resetting your Microsoft account password, which in this case, you could do this via your account here. Click on sign in at the top right and you just need to choose the option here that says forgot. Or let's go and just enter our email first, just to give you some idea. And from here, once you've entered it, let's go and click on next. You now have the option that says forgot password. Now from here, you just need to follow the on-screen steps and basically verify. Click on the user different verification option, choose the I don't have any of this and just follow the on-screen steps that you're seeing here. Let's go answer no here and again follow the on-screen steps. Now, if you want to learn more or exactly what you need to enter here in order for you to basically recover your account, we actually have a specific video for this one, so make sure to check out our channel. But yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.